Arbitrum is projected to increase 3.1% by June 22, Crypto Predictions notes. Let's take a moment to review the latest chart dynamics. The value of Arbitrum didn't change since yesterday, staying near $0.0841. Let's roll into today's forecast series. According to Crypto Predictions' projection, the price may move up to $0.0869 by June 22, a move that suggests a gain of 3.1%. Coin price forecast foresees Arbitrum moving up to $0.0845, a rise of approximately 0.2%. According to CoinLore, the value may retreat to $0.0838, an estimated decrease of 0.6%. Another forecast from CoinCodex suggests Arbitrum could drop to $0.08289, an estimated decrease of about 1.7%. Finally, Gulf Capital Collector forecasts a price near $0.0789 by tomorrow, 6.4% beneath the current level. This is the top return forecast. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Looking across the collected predictions, the movement in price is estimated between a decline of 6.4% and a rise of 3.1% depending on the analyst. It appears Gulf Capital Collector ends up with the highest projected return with 6.4% gain in value by June 22. Therefore, you could earn between $2 and $64 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, coin price forecast indicates the most likely movement, with a 96.6% chance of success. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. Consensus expectations place Arbitrum on a path to fall by about 1.1%. Here's a closer look at the numbers. The consensus scenario sets the price 1.1% below where it is now. And by that identical percentage, your capital may also grow. A 1,000 base investment could reflect about $11 in profit. So the probability of this consensus forecast being realized sits near 94.7%. Up next, let's see how analysts view the short-term 3-day forecast. Crypto Predictions sees an upward move ahead. An upward drive is additionally anticipated by coin price forecast. CoinLore suggests that the near-term picture is one of balance, with prices showing little variation. CoinCodex expects Arbitrum to head lower. A decline is likewise anticipated by Gulf Capital Collector, with bearish pressure in play. According to the consensus view, Arbitrum is positioned for a decline over the next 3 days. According to the gathered forecasts, 60% of analysts expect Arbitrum to advance in the near term. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Now we'll see which ones were accurate. At the end of the day, the market recorded $0.0846. Yesterday showed that most forecasts captured the correct move. Accuracy winner this round was coin price forecast. Time to sort through the results more carefully. 2 forecasts ended up inside the daily candle. When it comes to ROI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from Crypto Predictions with 2.6%. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. Coin data flow is shown with 0.20's $2,879 accuracy, 95.9% forecast probability, and minus 2.6% ROI. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with Arbitrum. Forecast comparison places Arbitrum second, as Litecoin stays at the top with 2%. Here Arbitrum is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more is already ready on my website. And that's a wrap. If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. Catch you tomorrow.